If I were to tell you 6% of the purchase price of this home you could use for your closing costs or buying down your rate, would you keep watching this video? What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante, here as always in Clermont in a new construction home that I know you guys are also gonna absolutely love. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 plus square foot home with a 2-car garage. And this community is selling very, very fast. And one reason why is, yes, 6% of the purchase price of this home can be used by you as the buyer for whether you want to buy down your rate, closing costs, just an absolutely amazing incentive that people are loving, especially now in this time. So without further ado, guys, let's take a look at this house. Yes, guys, so there you have it. As you know, here's my contact information right here for you to reach out if you guys want to set up a private showing or want to know more about the community or other models in the Clermont area for new construction. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. And always remember, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon. Peace.